Hey, what's up, guys? This is Kimberman from Kimberman Gunpla Studio. Today I have here a model kit from Shopee, and this is my long-awaited CAT-04 from the Super Maneuvers Armored Walker. And this is your latest release, the CAT-04. It looks like a brother to Heavy Arms, and it has the so powerful firepower armaments, missiles, Gatling guns, and rifles, bazookas. It has all of it. So let's check this kit out and let's see what the Shopee Armored Walker CAT-04 has to offer us collection. So fangen wir an, los geht's. CAT-04, or this super maneuver armored walker, or the small. This is I think an original manga or anime from China, and yep, these are all mecha that has the appearance of cats like that. And of course, this is from Shopee. I had this the unit 1 already last year. I had it built last year, so the quality of the plastic of this kit is very nice. It's very strong. The POM plastic is nice. Okay, so we got here the limited edition logo, where it has the Gatling gun, 2 Gatling gun added from HobbyLink. So thank you so much. This is the first release. By the way, the box of this kit is tampered, maybe due to the delivery process, but it's okay as long as the contents are complete. So the box, we can see here the code, the height, the fictional aspects of the kit. And the side of the box here, we can see the weapons. We got this bazooka. Thankfully, there's this translation for the kit, or for the words here, for the text. It got the rocket launcher, the chainsaw gun, which is called Noise. Okay, so the rocket launcher is the injector, it's the Noise. Then there's this hidden hand grenade underneath the shoulder armor. There's this openable head cockpit. So compared with the CAT-01, where the head doesn't have any cockpits, this one has the cockpit and the pilot figure inside. And the legs can open and reveal some missiles, just like the Heavy Arms. And we got this Phalanx missile system, same with the Heavy Arms. And we got the tail. So the tail is very nice as well. We got this vertebrate hammered tail also. And the other side of the box, we can see the front view, the full armor view, and so we got this Gatling gun there, and also the full missile deployment mode. And the pilot figure, or the pilot for this kit, is Rota. Her name is Rota. She's a very sexy lady here. And there we got the specs here, these fictional specs for this character. Okay. So she's 25 years old. And let's open this box here, and we can see the instruction manual. The instruction manual here is very nice. It's very thick, by the way, compared with the other manual from other kits. This is very thick. And if we open it, we can see those it's like a manga. We got this manga as the first part. There, it's very nice. You can see how this model battle enemies. So there's this guns and so many guns, and there It looks like heavy arms, by the way. Okay. And we can see the pilot, Rota. She's a very sweet lady, drinking wine in the snow, so she's not afraid of cold. And there we can see the specs of the kit here. There's the English translation as well. If you want to buy this kit, you can read this part also below. And there's this pilot figure, Rota, and she's very nice. She's very lovely, also sexy. And there we got the parts list here. So many parts. We got so many parts for this kit. And the building process, but it's not that hard as I can assess. The kit is not that hard to build because I already experienced building this last year, the CAT-01. Okay, so we got the same feature or the same inner frames and building process for this kit. Okay, there are missiles and other arms. Okay, and there we got the decal placement if you want to apply the decals. Okay. It's very nice. Okay, let's go with the parts packages. Here we got this bonus item here, by the way. We got the Shopee X Hobby Mio. So this is their bonus, the Gatling gun parts. It's very nice. We got 2 of these. Then we got these white parts for the bazooka, the inner frame, and parts for the hands. We got this blue pack here with this label. We got sticker labels there. This is for the missile hatches. And we got orange parts for the missile. We got gray parts also for the missile hatches. Then we got this, I think this one inner frame and gun parts. These are all gray parts. We got this metallic gray parts for the head and the inner frames. We got loose dislodge part already there. And we got this final packages here. We got clear pink parts, orange. Then for stickers, we got stickers or dry transfer decals or slide decals. I mean. Then we got this parts here for the feet or claw or paws, and this one for the bazooka. And these are all for the weapon frames. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So let's start here with this light gray colored runner for runner eye. So these are for the cat's paws. And we got this metallic gray colored runner here for this head here. We got 2 of this. I wonder which to use here. Anyway, so this is runner G and runner K. Then we got here white parts for runner R. So this one for the rockets, I think. This is for the rocket and the manipulator. And we got this pilot figure, which is very nice. We got a Rota pilot figure here. Yep. So this Rota. And there we got this parts here for the hands and joints. Then we got gray parts for the inner frame. And runner O for these gray parts here. We got runner N for the guns and launchers. Then we got this runner M, 2 runner M's for the missile launcher parts. Then we got runner G or runner Q, I think, or runner G. Oh no, this is runner Q for these missile launchers. Then we got this orange runners for this one for the accents, I think. This runner E and runner J. Then we got clear parts here for the lenses, camera lenses. Then we got two options here. If you want to use this opaque blue for the hatches, or this clear blue for the hatches. So now I'm confused on which to use on this kind of hatches, but I'm very happy because if ever I destroyed or break the hatches port for this one, I got reserve parts for it, but only the color difference. Anyway, it's very nice. And we got here this unpacked pieces here because I like to preserve first the integrity of those chrome silver here. This runner C, runner B1. We got two runner B1 here. Then we got this missile launchers or missile designs. So this is all runner L. Then we got runner H here for this gray parts here. And we got this Gatling gun packs again. I didn't open it yet because I might not use it, or if ever I use, at least I just reserve it. Maybe I will sell or not to sell. Okay, so this is a reserve pack here. Then we got here this dry transfer decals or water slide transfer decals for this kit. Okay, so see you next time, and wait for the finished product to be done, and we'll see you on the review. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye. God bless, take care. Masalamat, paalam sa inyo lahat.